So I'm gonna be showing you how to replace the SOS battery from BMW X5 2017 X5. So if you get that message right here on your dashboard that says SOS on yellow right here, let me see if the car will show it now. Okay, it's not showing it now. Okay, right there. Malfunction on the SOS deal. So it's because this battery is dead. You have to replace this battery on the car. I bought this one on eBay for like 50 bucks. So if you get it, if I'm not wrong, if you get it from a BMW power store, it will be between 100 and 120. So I got this one on eBay, probably cheaper quality. Won't last so long, but you know, it will hold. So this thing is located on the back of the car, back there. You see, I have the 3-row seats on this car, so that's the 3rd row. I have the middle row moved because I replaced my fuel pumps, something that I'll be showing in the next video. So to get to this battery, you actually have to remove a few pieces. So this system for this battery is located under here, right behind the rooftop glass deal. So to get here, you have to remove the side panel right here. Everything is held by white clips. So the first thing you have to do is remove this thing right here. So take off the plastic cover right here. And you can see a screw right there, and you can see the other screw right here. So if I'm not wrong, that one should be an 8. Let's see, this is, come on, this is an 8. So remove the screw right here, remove the screw right here, take them out. This piece should come out without any issues. You see, boom, just like that. Remember, these white clips, try not to break them. So pull, but pull not hard. If I was you, I would get one of these tools, so it will help you pull without breaking these things. The same thing for the other side. You see, the other side I have removed it. Sorry for the phone, it's having a hard time to focus. Then you have to remove this whole seal from around, you see, around the whole roof. This whole loose. When you remove this, then you're gonna be able to remove the panel right here. Like I have one of the panels right here with the seatbelt. So same thing, full of white clips. One clip right here, there's another one there that I already broke off. That's why I say you have to be careful. And you know, you remove the back first, and then what I did, I pushed forward a little bit so it will release. This thing actually clips to the roof right here. So in this area, so it goes under that too, and it bites to this thing to keep it up on the corner. Okay, so once you remove all that, you're going to be able to push this thing down, this whole roof down. So you push the whole thing down. There you go, now you see better. Once you push this down, you're going to have to get on top of your car so you can reach the battery compartment. So I have to get my knees in here and then push this thing down. Remember, it has a clip, so clip down. Let me close this. Here's where the battery goes in this thing. I'm gonna close it up really quick so I can put it on the same position. It's gonna be uncomfortable, but so this thing has a position on the top. If you see, it has a pull right here. You pull that thing down, and it's supposed to clip up here. Perfect. So you pull this thing down, and then you push back. You slide this thing. You slide this thing that way, so towards the front of the car, while you pull this down, and it will release. The battery is gonna go over here. Let me get my tool. 1 second. It's uncomfortable to hold everything. Let me pull it down. about that. So you see I have the battery compartment open. So you take the old one out and you stick this one in. Once you do that, you just close the compartment. Let me see if I can open this thing all the way. Really uncomfortable to get this damn battery in. Let me pull my phone down again. Oh, shit. So once you put the battery in, you just click on this and then you will slide in on everything else. You just put everything backwards. Once you click this in, you push forward, bring this down, stick it on the spot that it needs to go, click this thing so it will secure, and then everything else will be where it's supposed to be, and then backwards on everything. Put the plastic on the side first, make sure it bites this thing, the roof on the corner side, and just everything back to where it needs to be. Clips on everything. Okay.